In the late 18th century, France was a nation in crisis. Decades of extravagant royal spending and costly wars, including support for the American Revolution, had drained the treasury. By the 1880s, King Louis XVI faced a mounting financial crisis. The state was nearly bankrupt. At the same time, France's social structure was rigidly divided under the Ancien Regime. Society was split into three estates. The first estate, clergy, and second estate, nobility, enjoyed land, privilege, and near immunity from taxation, while the third estate, comprising the vast majority, commoners from bourgeois merchants to peasants, shouldered France's heavy tax burden. These inequalities bred deep resentment. Economic hardship worsened the turmoil. A rapidly growing population, France was the most populous country in Europe at the time, had begun to outpace the food supply. A series of poor harvests, including a severe winter in 1788, led to famine in the countryside and soaring bread prices in cities. Bread was the staple of the French diet, and as its price skyrocketed, hunger and anger set in. Bread riots erupted in Paris as the urban poor struggled to feed their families. In the villages, peasants faced not only hunger, but also the continued burden of feudal dues owed to their landlords, a last vestige of medieval serfdom that many hoped to abolish. Meanwhile, Enlightenment philosophers like Voltaire, Rousseau, and Montesquieu had spent the past decades challenging the idea of absolute monarchy and advocating reason, equality, and natural rights. Their ideas circulated in cafes and pamphlets, inspiring the educated classes of the Third Estate to question why an accident of birth entitled clergy and